Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Learning Station. Today we are going to discuss about 40 important waterfalls which will help you to prepare for upcoming examination and your daily life. If there is any mistake, please comment me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video. Okay, let's start. Today's first question is, what is the name of the highest waterfall in the world? Answer: Angel Falls. What is the name of the largest waterfall in the world in size? Answer: Niagara Falls. What is the name of the largest waterfall in India? Answer: Kunchikal Falls. The highest waterfall in India is located in which state? Answer: Karnataka. What is the name of the highest waterfall in India? Answer: Garsoppa Falls. What is the height of the highest waterfall in India? Answer: 455 meters. Where is Angel Falls located? Answer: Venezuela. What is the height of Angel Falls? Answer: 979 meters. Where is Mongephasan Falls located? Answer: Norway. What is the height of Mongephasan Falls? Answer: 773 meters. Where is Kewkana Falls located? Answer: Venezuela. What is the height of Kewkana Falls? Answer: 610 meters. Where is Utigad Falls located? Answer: Norway. What is the height of Utigad Falls? Answer: 818 meters. Where is Sutherland Falls located? Answer: New Zealand. What is the height of the Sutherland Falls? Answer: 580 meters. Where is Takako Waterfalls located? Answer: British Columbia in Canada. What is the height of Takako Falls? Answer: 254 meters. Where is Ribbon Yosemite Falls located? Answer: California. What is the height of Ribbon Yosemite Falls? Answer: 491 meters. Where is the Upper Yosemite Falls located? Answer: California. What is the height of Upper Yosemite Falls? Answer: 435 meters. Where is King George Falls located? Answer: Western Australia. What is the height of King George Falls? Answer: 435 meters. Where is Gavarnie Falls located? Answer: France. What is the height of Gavarnie Falls? Answer: 422 meters. Where is Tugela Falls located? Answer: South Africa. What is the height of Tugela Falls? Answer: 948 meters. Where is Vittisborg Falls located? Answer: Norway. What is the height of Vittisborg Falls? Answer: 366 meters. Where is Staps Falls located? Answer: Canada. What is the height of Staps Falls? Answer: 300 meters. Where is Middle Cascade Falls located? Answer: California. What is the height of Middle Cascade Falls? Answer: 277 meters. Where is Garsoppa Falls located? Answer: Karnataka in India. What is the height of Garsoppa Falls? Answer: 253 meters. Where is Niagara Falls located? Answer: border between New York and Canada. What is the height of Niagara Falls? Answer: 51 meters. In which country is Victoria Falls located? Answer: border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Angel is the waterfall of which river? Answer: Churan River.